Hey, YouTube. This is Katie Keller, Editorial Communications Manager with ClearanceJobs.com. I have Jill Hamilton, editor at news.clearancejobs.com with us today. And we're going to run through the military transition tips, top tips for you as you navigate the military transition into the next year. So the first transition tip is attending a transition assistance program workshop, but you're also going to want to seek additional workshops outside of that traditional TAP seminar. So the Department of Labor goes on to bases, and they have some really good nuggets of information in regards to resumes, the job search, networking with recruiters, creating different profiles to network with potential employers. But really, you're going to want to seek those outside programs as well if you have time for it. They offer additional nuggets of information and additional resources that are maybe coming from the industrial side as opposed to the government side of the house. So that's your first military transition tip. Jill, what do we have for number two?
Number two, you want to take time to think about your transferable skills in relation to what you want to do. Like, what do you want to be certain? It might not be able to get your first job out the door with what you specifically want to be in. Maybe you can if all your training's lined up to that beforehand, but you want to think about what you want to be doing and what you can start transferring from that. And then let your resume talk to all those things that maybe you have experience on, or look where you actually need to gain some skill sets in that. So that would be number two, looking at all your different skills that you have and what you want to be doing.
Awesome.
So three.
Number three, we have network with veteran-friendly employers. Just reach out to your buddies that have already transitioned out of the military. They know the veteran-friendly employers. You can see it online on social media, on their ClearanceJobs profile. They have veteran-friendly accolades. So go ahead, feel confident in networking with those veteran-friendly employers. That's number three. How about number four, Jill?
Number four, step it up just a little bit and then connect with other veterans who can actually mentor you. So take it past the networking and get into like a mentoring relationship, and that will really help you get to the next leg in your journey.
Awesome. So number five, listen to podcasts and read military leadership books. So we have an amazing book club that we do every month. You can find it at news.clearancejobs.com. It has all of our past book club picks that were written by our wonderful contributors and other leaders within the military community. So you're going to want to listen to that content that's already out there and really soak it in as you go through the military transition. All right, number six.
Number six is you want to highlight the veteran advantage. You do have an advantage and you can bring that to the table. I would not be afraid to use it. There are different things, skill sets that you've learned over your time in the military. It's just different way of approaching work and doing life. And I think that's valuable, and the industry really needs that. So don't shy away from highlighting that.
Always check that box. Yeah, always check that box if it asks if you're a veteran. So lastly, number seven, and really not lastly, but our last one for this video, become best friends with cleared recruiters and headhunters. That should go without saying, but you're just going to want to be nice to them. You're going to want to network with them. You need to respect their time, but ask for their help. They have some valuable insights, and really it's just about the rules of engagement on how to ask about those insights with recruiters. So you're going to want to become best friends with them as they can help you land your next dream job. So for other military transition tips, in addition to these 7 that we brought to you today, you're going to want to visit news.clearancejobs.com.